When Ron Rhodes and Wayne Hart deliver a forecast to the tri-state area like they did today, tri-state residents usually head out to the grocery stores. We talked to several stores around the area and they told us, people were picking up the three main snow in the forecast staples: milk, eggs, and bread. Those are the main ingredients in French toast. Everybody loves French toast, and there are several ways to make it, but Eyewitness News wanted to seek professional help in this area. So we did. We asked the Pie Pan in Evansville to show us how to make great French toast. Manager of the Pie Pan, Jackie Whale, showed us how it's done.
Here at the store we use half and half in our French toast just because it gives it a little extra consistency to stick to the bread. But you're just going to put your eggs in a bowl, and you're going to add some cinnamon and some vanilla. We use clear vanilla here at the store, but you can use brown vanilla if that's all you have. Imitation is fine. You just want to beat your eggs up and add your yummy cinnamon to it and your vanilla. Now I use about 4 tablespoons of cinnamon and a half a cup of vanilla. About the same, little more on the half and half. You can vary it to taste though. Okay, so when you get ready to go and grill your French toast, you just want to dip it in. It's time to go to the grill. About a minute to a minute and a half on each side. Sometimes it doesn't take that long, depends on how hot your grill is. Nice, quick, easy, simple French toast. You can top it with powdered sugar. You can top it with your favorite fruit. Like I said, you can make it pumpkin, blueberry French toast. Compliments of the Pie Pan.
Time for the taste test.
The best part.
Yes.
We get to taste. You ready?
I'm ready.
Blueberry French toast. Gotta have whipped cream.
Yes, you do. The blueberries, the cinnamon, the eggs, everything has just come together perfectly.
It's a very, very good taste profile when you put it all together.
Yeah, it really is. And the vanilla too.
Oh, I know.
I love that little ingredient that I've never put in mine.
Yeah, just a little bit. Just add a little bit to it. It really gives it a different flavor. And like I said, we serve it up all day long. So if you don't feel like cooking it yourself, you can come on out here to Pie Pan and we'll do it for you.
There you go.
All right.
Yeah, save you a trip to the grocery store. Right?
That's right. That's right.
All right. Thank you so much, Jackie.
You're very welcome.
For letting us come out and showing us how to make the perfect French toast.
Thank you.
There you go. You have all the ingredients at home, and now you know how to make restaurant-grade French toast. Enjoy. Kelly Austin, TriStateHomepage.com.